Question number 8. Question number 8. A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 cm long and 2 cm diameter. So the shape is like this. So neck is cylindrical shape, bottom is a spherical shape. So diameter is 2 cm, height of the cylindrical portion is 8 centimeters. Next, the diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeters. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeters. So by measuring the amount of water holds, so here we need to find the volume of this vessel. So volume of the vessel is equals to, it is a combination of cylinder and sphere. So volume of sphere plus volume of cylinder is the volume of the vessel. A child finds its volume to be 345 centimeter cube. One child find the volume is 345 centimeter cube. Check whether she is correct taking the above as the inside measurements and pi is equals to 3.14. So we need to check the volume is equals to 345 or not. So here the dimensions, the diameter of the sphere is equals to 8.5, then radius is equals to 8.5 by 2 centimeters. So diameter of the cylindrical part is 2 centimeter, radius is equals to 1 centimeter. So volume of vessel is equals to volume of the vessel is equals to volume of sphere plus volume of cylinder. So volume of vessel plus volume of vessel is equals to volume of sphere plus volume of cylinder. So volume of sphere formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Here two different r's, r1 r2. I am taking this one is r1, this is r2. So is equals to, here we can take only pi is common, pi common. So the remaining terms are 4 by 3 r cube, r1 cube plus here pi is common, r2 square h. So pi into 4 by 3, r1 is equals to 8.5 by 2, 8.5 by 2, 8.5 by 2 whole cube plus r2 is 1 centimeter, that is 1 square, h equals to 8. So that is equals to pi into 4 by 3 into 4 by 3 into 8.5 by 2 into 8.5 by 2 into 8.5 by 2 plus 1 square is 1 into 8 is 8. So simplification, 2 2s are 4 cancel. So pi into 8.5 into 8.5 into 8.5 is 614.125 by 6 plus 8. So this one also convert into decimal formation. Pi is 3.14 into 6 1s are 6, 14, 6 2s are 12, 21, 6 3s are 18, 18, 32, 6 5s are 30. So I am taking up to 2 decimals plus 8. So that is equals to 3.14 into 102 plus 8, 110.35. So multiply 3.14 into 11035, we will get 346.49 centimeter cube. So approximately we can write this one is volume of the vessel is equals to 346.5 centimeter cube. So her answer is 345 centimeter cube. So her answer is wrong. Original answer is 346.5 centimeter cube is volume of the vessel. Question number 7. A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water. So here one solid. This solid is a combination of hemisphere and cone. So this solid is placed in a cylinder. So the cylinder is filled with water. So we are placing the solid in a cylinder. So some water will come outside. So how much volume of this solid? So that amount of water will come outside from the cylinder. Now here dimensions are given. Dimensions are given. Height of the cone is equals to 120 centimeter. Radius is equals to 60 centimeter. Radius of the hemisphere is equals to 60 centimeters. 60 centimeter. Such that it touches the bottom. It is touching the bottom. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeters and height is equals to 180 centimeters. So here the question is, we need to find the volume of water left in the cylinder. So volume of water left is equals to volume water left is equals to volume of cylinder minus volume of solid. So the solid is combination of cone plus hemisphere. So volume of cylinder minus volume of the solid. So how much volume the solid occupies? Same amount of water will come outside from the cylinder. So the outside water is always equals to volume of the solid. So this one we need to subtract from the volume of the cylinder. So volume of cylinder minus volume of solid. Solid is a combination of cone and hemisphere. Now volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h minus volume of cone formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So here two different radius is same, no? Different h1, this one I am taking h2. Pi r square common, pi r square is common. So remaining term is h1 minus of 1 by 3 pi r square is common. So h2 minus into plus minus 2 by 3 r. So pi e value is 3.14. R is equals to 60 square into h1 is 180 minus 1 by 3 into h2 is 120 minus 2 by 3 into r is 60. Simplification, 3 ones, 3 fours are 3 ones, 3 2s are. So 3.14 into 60 into 60. Here 180 minus 40, 20. 20 to the 40, 80. So here it is equals to 3.14 into 60 into 60 into 180 minus 80 is 100. So 100 into 3.14 is 314. So 314 into 60 into 60. So that is equals to, multiply 314 into 36. 314 into 36. Next. So that is equals to 11,304,00 centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of water left in the cylinder, is equals to 11,304,00 centimeter cube.